Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. Portal Coin has just made an announcement saying that you just have only 48 hours left to submit your wallets for Crystal Dash. As they say, there's only 4 days till Portal launch, and if you go down to this street, Coin will be launching on Binance on the 29th of February at 10 a.m. UTC. Most probably they will be giving you access to Crystal Dash before the token launches. So you will be able to convert your shards to crystals, and then the crystals to Portal Coin. So if we go to the dashboard of Crystal Dash, you can see there's a section called airdrop. You have to go to this section, press on it, and add one of your ethereum wallets and press submit. That's the only thing that you have to do to I think get into Crystal Dash. And this is how the dashboard is. And you can see the leaderboard is not yet updated, but there's one way you can check your ranking for the seasons. If you, there's an extension called Fugaku Portal Ranker, if I'm correct, yeah. And you can see your rankings for season 1, 2 and 3. For example, if you press on season 1, you can see the number of points you have earned in season 1, the number of shards you have earned, and your current level. So you can check everything from this ranker. This is Fugaku Portal Ranker if you want to check that. And also a quick update on the pricing of Portal pre-launch. So if you go to Wales market, you can see Portal is trading at around $2.9 per token. Some of these are even filled, like you can check some of them are filled at around $2.97, which is like $14,850. That's all updates for today. If Portal makes another announcement, I'll create a video for that. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in another video.